Right everyone, this is part 2 of the video I've just done, and this is just some of the items you're going to get in the A4 box, which is a flat box, fits through your letterbox, and it's for the I'm not sure if you say it, if I say it right, I don't know, Emphera kit. It's the vintage scrapbooking kit, let's call it that. So there is this is what I've got in at the moment. But what I'm waiting for to come in, which is due in this week, lots of different papers, pictures and all sorts. So this is, let's just say this is half of what's in it, okay? And I've already shown you, well, I'm going to show you, this is what I've got so far for the, and I've 6 kits. If you want these kits, you have to say on this video to pre-order it, because I'm still waiting for the other bits to come in. So they should be in this week. So I did say, let me just put all this to one side. I don't want to get it all mixed up, that's all. So these are all pre-packed ready. I've managed to get quite a bit pre-packed. So, a good wad of jewett string. You're going to get some of the cream lace. You're going to get 3 of the foam roses, which are those, pink, white and wine. You'll also get 3 of the ribbon roses, a pack of the iridescent flowers, I have to do that separate, some pink Chinese braid. This is our new ribbon. I got the, I think it's a moss green it's called, so, and I got it in 2 sizes, so I've put you a metre of each in. You can play around with it and do what you like. This is the double trim. Now what you can do with this, a lot of people are doing the jewellery and they roll it. I'll show you. See, like that, and they roll it and glue it in, and then they can make swirls and whatnot. But you can do it just to pull out your tabs and things like that. So you've got that in pink and in cream. I've also put in some 3 pieces you get of the small 2mm pearl trim. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I did say I'll put some of this in. You know, you can cut these and use them as tabs to pull things out. I don't know what you want to do with it. It's completely up to you. You can colour it all, of course. Now, you'll all get a pack of these. And I said, some of the things may differ. These are just various bits that you can add to your project if you're making a scrapbook. Okay? So they may differ. I'll see what I've got. I'm putting this pack in. You're getting the 4mm trim. You're getting those flowers. These flowers, the rolled ribbon. These flowers. You're getting the key. The wide green trim. You're getting feathers in the back. Pink trim. I'll show you what that pink trim is, which is that one. And you're also getting that. It might come in cream or it might come in beige. Okay, and that's the wide trim. So you're getting those, and that's a nice little pack in there as well. You're all getting this, which is the Nottingham lace. So you're getting, I think it's a yard of that. You're getting some leaf trim, so you can cut these off, put them on your projects. I don't know what you want to do with them. You scrapbook, not me. We're going to put some envelopes in, which is the A5, I think it is. Well, that looks a bit big for A5. A normal one like that, so you can cut them. I don't know. You lot scrapbook, not me. Let's go through some of the other bits and pieces you're getting. Now, don't forget, I have a lot of things coming in, like advertisement paper. We've got tissue paper coming in that's patterned. And all of that, when it comes, it's all on one order, so it'll all come together. And that will be making up the rest of this kit. Canvas picture. 3, I think it's 3 of those. 2 or 3 of those, can't remember. 2, I think it is. You know, just to write on, stamp on, do whatever you like. 3 each of the postcard pictures. They've got pictures on the back, but I got the books for the postcards, and that's where they're cut from. 6 of the cards, they're already die cut for you. Again, you do whatever you like with them. 3 of the envelopes. And then you'll get a selection of plain card. I've got other colours to go in yet. I haven't finished cutting them. So that's to go in as well. Now, just let me move on to this section here. You'll have other little trimmy bits and cards and whatnots that you saw me hand cut in the first video. Obviously, these that I cut as well. You will have a selection of the envelopes. There's another one to go in there. Where's the other one? I did do them, didn't I? And we'll put that one in. Tabs. Or you can make them into tabs for pulling out. Obviously, I'm going to do you a sheet of this, so you've got all different circles to cut out, and you can fold them. On the back, there's flowers, and you just fold them into tabs. But I don't know, whatever you want to do with them, or whatever you want to be creative and make. Then you're also getting a selection of papers, different papers. Now, there's more than this to come in. I'm just waiting for the books to arrive, and like I said, they're all on the same order, so everything should come together. So you'll have those as well. You'll all get a pack of just vintage things you can use. I think these are sticky back. I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, I think they peel off. Let me just check. Because it's a... Yeah. They peel. And it's sticky back. Okay? So there's lots of different things. Now these, again, will vary. So you might get flowers, or this is nature. You might get a different one that's household. You know what I mean? So it's stuff like that. Now, don't come in here. I don't want them. Now, the materials in this kit are these. You're going to get 6 of those. 6 of the doilies. So again, these can be coloured. You can cut them up, do whatever you like with them. You'll get a selection. These are the only ones that will be different, but there's the same amount in each. They'll be different ones. Then you're going to all get these, which are the, and I haven't trimmed them. You get one of those and one of those to trim down. And these are our newest ones. You get one in gold on white, white on gold. And then the fabrics, I've put 3 different fabrics in for now. Oh, wait a minute. Some cordage. I might put some more in yet, and I might put some felts in as well. So you're also getting a sheet of this, the Paris one. They're all the same size. This is for you to play with. You'll all get one on the script, which is just a sheet for you to play around with. Don't forget you can colour this as well. And this new fabric, which is, it's like a stretch fabric. Just to see what you can do with it. You've got to think outside the box. You might want to make a little pouch, make a little... I don't know. You might want it for a different project altogether. Right, so, as for the doodads... We'll do this one first, and I probably will end up with this all over the place. See if I can do it in my hand. Probably not. I've nothing to put it in. So it's going to end up everywhere. I know it is. Let me just see. What have I got? Here, see if I can put it in this tub. Let me just get rid of this in here. Right. I can put it in here. I just didn't want to lose it. So, for the doodads, you've got a selection of, you've got 6 of those, which is the teardrop pearls. You've got oddment metal beads. These are glass, pink glass. And then you've a selection of, you know, like those tiny beads. And then little balls. One of those. Multi-beads. These are faceted. So, a good collection of beads. I've got some other things to go in as well, but that's the first one. Like I say, I haven't quite finished this kit, and I need to wait for the other bits to come in as well. And then regarding the acrylic, this is what I've done so far. You're getting 1 cream and 1 pink acrylic flower. I've put 2 of those, when I say 2, because I cut these out and use them I've used them for tabs before today. It's just trinket bits for you to play around with. You get the small flat back and the large flat back, and they're the ones we've got in the shop at the moment for sale. You've got the heart and the teardrop in the flat back. I have put in some of the dangle trim. Don't forget to seal it off so it doesn't come out. One of Tatty's flowers. She hand makes them for us. And then it's a pearl metal trim. Just a little bit of that for you to play around with. Now, the other bit is, I needed to get it out and I can't. Let me just see. Yeah, here we go. There was another one somewhere I wanted to put in. And right, ladies, while I'm doing this, this is my box. It's got all sorts in it, right? And there's loads and loads and loads of stuff. But I'm going to go through it, and you might just get a strip like that. I need to sort it out. There's lots of little bits, like, look. But somebody might only need that to go and, you know, fit on something. I'm going to go through it, and I'm actually just going to put it all in a bag. Lots of little oddments that are cut off. I never waste them. Singular ones like that. I never waste them. I'm just going to put them all in a bag and sell it off as one lot. Look, that was, I mean, it's beautiful. Off a bracelet that broke. But the bead, that itself is gorgeous and can be used in a project. So I'm just going to go through what I don't want and add it all to a bag and sell it off as one job lot. But you might just get a single bead, lots of them. I mean, look at this. Surely somebody can use this up. Surely. You know, there's all different things in it. It's silly sat there. I will never use it. Same with the pearls and things I've got. It just needs sorting through. Anyway, let's get back to this. What I'm going to do is I'm putting 6 inches in of each trim. So there's 6 inches of the pink and 6 inches of the pearl. So that so far is the kit. Like I said, I'm waiting for everything else to come in. You can pre-order the kit on this video or the one I've just done. I have 6 available. I will need your details. Don't put your details on the comments. Email me at fiona.freestylecrafts@gmail.com. And just so that you can remember that, I'm going to write it down for you. Now, I don't have a marker, I don't think, but this should do. Fiona.freestylecrafts with an S at gmail.com. So send me a message on this video to say that you would like one of these, and I need your details. So what I need from you is your email address. So send your email address so I can invoice you. I can do it on the shop if you want to do it through the shop, but this is for PayPal. Okay? If you want to pay through PayPal, then you have to do this. Or go to the shop, which is JenningsCreationsBoutique.com. So if you want to do that, I'll just write it in here. Is www.JenningsCreations Boutique. Sorry, it's Jennings Creations Boutique Boutique. God, I nearly forgot my own bloody address then. .com. Okay, so order through the shop. That's nothing. Ignore that bit. Sorry. It's BOU. www.jenningscreationsboutique.com if you want to order through the shop. But you must say on this video, or the one I've just done, if you want this particular kit. It's first come, first serve, 6 available, and it'll be the first 6 that pay. That's the only way I can do it. So you say you want it, order it through the shop. Send me the your details through the shop. I need your email address so I can invoice you. Or drop me a line at fiona.freestylecrafts@gmail.com. Send your email address so I can invoice you there. If you use PayPal. If you want to just do it through the shop, then do it with this address. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.